Hey everybody, down here again. Just thought I'd show you a video of me scrapping out some metal. And what I'm going to do is take these items apart and keyboards, get the silver lining out of it, and copper, aluminum out of the monitor. And I'm going to put it in my hoard pile and get back with you on this. Thanks for looking. Alright everybody, down here again. Okay, I was showing you a computer monitor and keyboard I took apart and for scrapping, and show you what I got. Okay, those keyboards, now you won't get rich doing this of course, but these keyboards got silver lining in it. This is what I was after right here. Now I'm not sure on how to recover the silver out of this, but I figure if I'm just going to discard these and trash them instead of throwing away the whole keyboard, just go ahead and just take them apart and get a bunch of these together and hoard them for a while and see what happens and sell them as is. But my main thing was to take apart this monitor, just like them TVs, and here's what I got out of it. Big, nice, thick chunk of copper, clean copper here. And there's the metal out of that. I scrapped out my metal pile. And of course the plastic. I can try to just recycle it, give it away, recycle bins, and start on my hoard pile of my copper wiring. Now this one here came out of the monitor, so this is the pretty thick piece of copper. But of course you'll have your other small pieces, and of course you still got your other pieces of copper. I'm still gotta try to get out of here. This little piece right here, this nice piece of copper in there. I'm gonna bust that out of there. And right here, some nice copper, and some little bit of copper right there as well. And you also have some nice chunks of aluminum, which I got me good aluminum pile going on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt all these aluminums. I got me a little smelter. I'll put in another video later. I'm gonna turn around, melt these, and make them into ingots. And there's some more copper here. But this thing here is what I want to stay away from on the monitor, and they got them in TVs, I believe. These will give you a jolt. They still retain some electricity in there, and I don't know, man. I just try to stay away from it. I just clip them and just don't try not to touch them. I've heard of them, but I don't know personally. I never got jolted yet. And what's left is the glass tube. Other than that, that's about it. And let's see here. This is what I gotta do to this thing here. Just bust it apart to get that copper from it. Get that copper out of there. And you can see it's not gonna be too hard to get out of there. And that's about it. Nothing to it, man. Okay. And I'm just gonna finish cleaning it out. And I'll put it into my copper pile again. And I'll show you my copper pile later. Thanks for watching. Okay, finally tallied up my copper out of that computer monitor. It comes to 10.8 ounces. So, not bad for just scrapping out a little monitor. Some nice pure grade copper. which I'm going to put in my copper pail, which I'll show you here in a minute. On my next video, that is. 0.5. Finally settled down. Oh, going to 0.4. Okay. There it is. Clean copper. Thanks for looking. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. I don't know if you can read it. Oh, almost 16 pounds. Yep. And that's what I got. 16 pounds of clean copper. Shiny copper. And I got more dirty copper out there, but this is considered #1 copper since it's clean. And I'll show you what I do with this copper. I turn around and I use it, sell it, and get my silver out of it. So basically I'm getting free silver out of my copper. Sell my copper. Okay. Alright. Thanks for looking. Alright everyone. Down here again. I just want to show everybody how I and others, if interested, can get free silver. Yes, I did say free silver. As you can see here, I have silver bullion, coins, bars, in various sizes and designs. And it all comes out to 190 ounces. And 190 ounces. The last time I seen it at $34 an ounce. Now to $6,460. And I just wanted to bring this home from the bank, which I have these in my safe deposit box, to add some of it to the collection. And what I'm going to do is show you how I get free silver. Everything you see here I got for free. And I'm going to show you how I did it. And here's how I did it. Right here. Scrap metal. What I do is I pick up appliances, electronics, and I scrap them out. So I hoard them, and then when I hoard them, get enough, I'll take it to my scrap yard. And once I get paid, I turn around and use that money to buy this. And I'm not talking about just copper. I'm talking about other metals, iron, appliances. But this is another load right here I'm getting ready to turn in, cash in. And I'm thinking 16 pounds of clean #1 copper, I should get $54.72. So hopefully I'm gonna turn around and get me another silver piece. But that's how I do it. Well, as you can see, it didn't take overnight. I've been doing this for 10 years, so it's not like I'm hurting myself. It's just when I get the extra money, I invest it in silver. I'm going to sell my scrap metal. copper, and other alloys. And most of these you see here came out of wire, TVs, computer monitors, air conditions, all that. And it's just something I do in the spare time. So I just had to show you what I was doing here. And if you're interested in doing the same thing, just let me know. I'll show you how I do it. It's very simple. A lot of these buys I got when I was investing in it when silver was $15 an ounce, which was almost 10 years ago, something like that. But every one of them I can say I got free, because basically when I was in the scrapping business 10 years ago as well, I was getting all the stuff for free. People were paying me to get rid of their junk. I was cashing in on it as well by selling it to the scrapyard. So, just show you my little hoard here. I'm getting ready to package them up and take them back to the bank. I do keep these in a safe deposit box because something like this you would not want to keep in the home. Okay, just thought I'll show you. Thanks for looking.